The President may nominate to the Lok Sabha 0 members of the Anglo-Indian community if he is of the opinion that the community is not adequately represented in the House. Hindi was declared the official language of India under Article 343. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. The President issues ordinances on the advice of Union Council of Ministers. When Mr. Gandhi became Prime Minister in 1965, Mrs. Gandhi, in 1965, she was a member of Rajya Sabha. The Legislative Council has a tenure of a permanent nature. The Attorney General of India holds office during the pleasure of the President of India. The first woman governor of a state was Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. The President can remove an individual minister from the Council of Ministers only on the advice of Prime Minister. The President can remove the Chief Election Commissioner from office on the advice of Parliament. The President has the right to address the two houses of Parliament assembled at the first session convened after every general election, and the two houses at the commencement of the first session of every year. When the Prime Minister tenders his resignation, the Union Cabinet remains automatically dissolved. A judge of the Supreme Court can be removed by the President only upon a joint address by both houses of Parliament. Article 368 of the Constitution deals with the procedure for amendment of the Indian Constitution. The maximum number of judges that can be appointed in the Supreme Court of India is 30. The absolute minimum number of times that Union Parliament must meet every year is 2. Parliament can legislate on matters in the state list by the Rajya Sabha passing a 2/3 majority resolution. India is a federal state because or the sharing power between the center and state. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India was Sukumar Sen. Finance Commission is appointed by the President of India after every 5 years. First proclamation of emergency under Article 352 was made by the President on October 26, 1962. The residuary power, that is, the powers not listed under the Constitution, vest with the Union Parliament. Do the state legislatures have any authority to propose amendments to the Constitution? No. Who retains the power of declaring war or peace? President. A joint sitting of both the houses of Parliament is held when a bill passed by one house is rejected by the other, when there is some disagreement over any provisions of or amendment to a bill, or when a period of 6 months elapses from the date of receipt of a bill passed by one house without it is being passed by the other.